In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first you need to open your contacts. As you can see, currently I don't have any, so I will just quickly add some contact. That can be Tony, phone number, then done. So once you've got the contact, you just need to pick it at first, then tap on edit and click on add photo. And as you can see, you can pick either some emoji, you can choose some emoji, you can also create your own, then just choose the style, and you can click on done to save it. Also, you can write some letter, and also choose the style by yourself, and then you can grab a picture by yourself right now if someone is sitting right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. And this is what I will pick. Let me choose some photo, tap on choose, then pick the filter, tap on done then, and click on done again. Done for the third time, and it has been applied. So this is how you can smoothly and easily add photo to contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.